Ever wondered how to elevate your work outfits? We all know that dressing well can have a profound impact on how we feel and how others perceive us, especially in a professional setting. It's about more than just looking good. It's about feeling confident, capable, and ready to take on the world. But navigating the world of workwear can be a bit daunting, whether you're returning to the office or continuing to work from home. That's where we come in. In this video, we're going to explore a variety of versatile work outfit ideas that will help you look polished and put together, no matter your work environment. From classic combinations like blazers and trousers to chic monochromatic looks, we've got plenty of inspiration to help you refresh your work wardrobe. So, are you ready to step up your style game? Stay tuned as we dive into some work outfit ideas that will take your professional wardrobe to the next level. Our first outfit idea centers around a classic: the blazer, top, pants, and flats. This ensemble is a versatile choice that can easily transition from a day at the office to an evening out. The oversized blazer, a contemporary twist on a traditional staple, lends an air of sophistication while the classic white blouse or t-shirt keeps the look grounded. Remember, fashion is a form of self-expression, so don't shy away from blazers with bold designs or vibrant colors. It's all about adding a touch of your personal style. Choosing the right pants is crucial. Opt for a well-fitted pair that complements the oversized blazer. And let's not forget the flats. A chic pair of flats can tie the whole outfit together, providing comfort without compromising on style. So next time you're picking an outfit, remember, an oversized blazer and a classic white blouse can never go wrong. Next up, we have the timeless combination of a midi dress and boots. The fantastic thing about this pairing is the sheer variety of styles and prints available, from floral prints that exude a breezy summer vibe to monochrome geometrics for a more reserved, professional look. The choices are endless. The midi dress is a versatile piece that transitions seamlessly from day to night, from casual to formal, depending on how you accessorize it. Now let's talk boots. Whether you opt for ankle boots, knee-highs, or something in between, the key is to find a pair that balances comfort with style. Look for boots with a cushioned insole, a sturdy heel, and quality materials. They should complement the dress, not compete with it. The beauty of the midi dress and boots combo is that it can be adapted to suit any workplace aesthetic. No matter the season, a midi dress paired with boots is always a chic choice. And our third outfit idea is an ensemble of a trench coat, shirt, pants, and heels. This outfit is a true testament to the power of classic pieces. Starting with an oversized trench coat, it's a versatile piece that adds an air of sophistication to any ensemble. A well-fitted trench coat can be your best friend, especially during transitional seasons. Next, we have the classic shirt. Tucked into your pants, it gives a clean, polished look. Opt for a crisp white or subtle stripes to keep it professional, yet chic. Now onto the pants. Tailored pants are a must-have in any work wardrobe. They're comfortable, stylish, and can be paired with just about anything. And lastly, we have heels. A pair of well-chosen heels can elevate your look, adding that extra bit of confidence and style. Remember, comfort is key, so choose a heel height you're comfortable with. With this outfit, you're ready to conquer any work week. Our next outfit idea is perfect for those Zoom calls: a statement blouse, pants, and flats. In today's remote working world, it's all about dressing up from the waist up. But that doesn't mean you have to compromise on style below. Pairing a statement blouse with comfy pants and chic flats is the way forward. Statement blouses are all about making an impact. They can be bold in color, have unique cuts, or feature intricate patterns. The idea is to let the blouse do all the talking. On the other hand, your pants should be comfortable and in a neutral color to keep the focus on your blouse. Flats are the perfect footwear for this look. They're comfortable, stylish, and practical. Opt for a pair in a color that complements your outfit, and you're all set. With this outfit, you'll strike the perfect balance between professional and relaxed. Next, we're focusing on a classic silhouette, wide leg pants paired with pointed flats. This ensemble is a powerful combination that exudes an air of sophistication and elegance, while maintaining a level of comfort that makes it perfect for a day at the office. Wide leg pants are a timeless piece, offering a flattering silhouette that suits all body types. They're versatile and can be paired with a variety of tops, from a crisp white shirt to a soft feminine blouse. These pants make a statement and are a perfect choice for those seeking to elevate their work attire. Let's not forget the pointed flats. They're the epitome of chic comfort. These shoes offer the elegance of a heel, without the discomfort that can come with wearing them all day. They're the perfect complement to wide leg pants, adding a touch of sleek sophistication to the overall look. With these pieces, your work outfit will exude sophistication. Our seventh outfit idea is all about monochromatic dressing. Now, this isn't about blending into the background. Quite the contrary. Dressing head to toe in a single color creates a continuous vertical line, making you appear taller and more streamlined. It's a simple trick that has a major impact on how your outfit is perceived. Choosing the right color is key here. You want something that complements your skin tone and fits the mood or the occasion. For instance, darker hues like black, navy, or charcoal can convey a sense of authority and professionalism, making them perfect for more formal settings. Lighter colors like beige, white, or pastels can create a softer, more approachable vibe. You can also play with different shades of the same color to add depth and dimension to your look. Just remember to keep the color variations minimal to maintain the elongating effect. Remember, monochromatic dressing is an effortless way to look chic. Next up, we have an outfit that's sure to make a statement. Statement pants, a tank, and a blazer. Statement pants are a fantastic way to add some flair and personality to your work outfits. They can be bold in color, pattern, or silhouette, and they instantly draw the eye. Pair them with a simple tank top to keep the focus on the pants, and balance the look with a well-fitted blazer. This not only adds a layer of professionalism, but also ties the whole outfit together. Remember, the blazer doesn't have to be your standard black or gray. Feel free to play around with different colors and textures to suit your personal style. This look is all about expressing your individuality while still looking polished and put together. So, don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and experiment with different styles. With this outfit, you'll be sure to make a professional statement. Our ninth outfit idea is a game changer, a jumpsuit paired with heels. This is not just an outfit, it's a statement, an embodiment of sophistication, and a nod to your fashion-forward mindset. A well-tailored jumpsuit is a one-stop solution to your what-to-wear dilemma. It simplifies your mornings without compromising on style. The beauty of a jumpsuit is its versatility. You can dress it up or down depending on the occasion. For a regular office day, pair it with strappy heels and minimal jewelry. For a more formal event, accessorize with statement pieces and swap your regular heels for stilettos. The jumpsuit's elegance lies in its simplicity. The convenience of this outfit is another plus. It eliminates the need to coordinate tops and bottoms, saving you precious time in the morning. And despite its simplicity, it never fails to make a bold statement. With a jumpsuit and heels, you'll be ready for any work situation. Last but not least, we have the effortless matching set. This outfit choice is all about convenience and style, hand in hand. Matching sets take the guesswork out of dressing up for work. You know you have a coordinated outfit ready to go, and it always looks sophisticated and chic. Choosing the right set starts with understanding your personal style and what makes you feel confident. Whether it's a tailored pantsuit, a skirt and blazer combo, or even a matching top and trouser set, the options are endless. Remember to keep in mind the fabric and color. Opt for high-quality fabrics that are comfortable and durable, and colors that flatter your skin tone and fit well within your existing wardrobe. Matching sets are also a great opportunity to play with patterns or textures. Don't shy away from a pinstripe suit or a floral print set. Remember, a matching set is an effortless way to look put together at the office. Finally, let's not forget the importance of quality work shoes. They are the foundation of your outfit and your day. They carry you from meetings to lunch breaks, from your commute to your desk. They need to be comfortable enough to withstand the hustle and bustle of your workday, yet stylish enough to complement your carefully curated outfit. Investing in a pair of quality work shoes is a wise decision. Not only do they provide the necessary support and comfort for your feet, but they also add an extra touch of elegance and professionalism to your overall appearance. Whether it's a classic pair of black pumps, chic ballet flats, or sophisticated loafers, the right work shoes can truly elevate any outfit. They can turn a simple ensemble into a standout look, making a lasting impression on your colleagues and clients. So make sure you choose wisely. Remember, quality over quantity is key when building your work wardrobe. And there you have it, 10 outfit ideas to elevate your work wardrobe. From the classic combination of a blazer, top, pants, and flats, to statement pieces like a bold blouse or eye-catching pants, we've covered an array of styles, including the timeless midi dress and boots ensemble, the versatile trench coat look, and the chic monochromatic dressing. Not to forget the effortless jumpsuit, the always coordinated matching set, and the essential quality work shoes. These outfit ideas offer a variety of looks that can be mixed and matched to suit your personal style and work environment. Remember, it's all about elevating your work outfits to boost your confidence and professional demeanor. Don't be afraid to experiment and make these outfit ideas your own, because at the end of the day, it's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. Remember, a well-dressed professional is a confident professional, so go ahead and elevate your work outfits today. Hey everyone, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video on Elevate Your Work Outfits, a woman's guide. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new video from your favorite fashionista. And if you have any thoughts or requests, leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. Until next time, stay stylish and take care. Celestial greetings, fashionistas. You've journeyed with us through the vibrant realms of style and elegance. If the expedition thrilled you, express your delight by bestowing a thumbs up on this video. Your feedback is our guiding star. Craving more? Yearn no more. Pledge your allegiance to the fashionista family by pressing the subscribe button. A universe of sartorial splendor awaits you, from decoding ensembles to predicting style trends, and a galaxy beyond. The key to this treasure? The notification bell. Strike it and ensure you're the first to explore our fresh uploads. Until our paths cross again in this cosmos of fashion, continue to weave your style story. Remember, your style, your constellation,